Ever built a wall in Revit and watch it vanish like some voodoo? You are not alone. Revit can be a perplexing software, especially when stuff decides to play hide and seek on you. Let me show you 3 common reasons as to why elements are not visible in your Revit project. Imagine this. You have crafted a beautiful building containing 2 floors. Everything is fine on level 1, but as soon as you move on to level 2, those walls suddenly disappeared mysteriously. You have checked the visibility settings, you've checked for hidden elements, and you've even checked your sanity. But fear not, there's a likely culprit: phasing. Phasing in Revit is a way of managing changes over time. If you've created elements in the wrong phase, it might influence which elements are visible within your Revit project. So in this case, I will move my walls to the correct phase, which is the new construction, and the items displays correctly. Another common culprit is a clip plane. Imagine your view as a camera with a specific zoom level. Elements outside of this zoom level will not display. And this is similar to the clip plane. Locate the view icon. This allows you to adjust the clip plane as desired. You can see on my screen, as I'm adjusting it, elements becomes visible as they are captured within the clip plane. Remember, the far clip determines the furthest visible point, and the near clip determines the closest visible point. The third reason is worksets. Worksets allows you to break your projects into parts, making it easier for management. If elements are created in a workset and you happen to turn off the workset, those elements will not be visible. Think of it like a card layer. If elements are created on a layer, once you turn off the layer, those elements will not be visible unless the layer is turned back on. To check if the workset is visible, go to Collaborate, Worksets, and make sure your workset is loaded, and also go back to your view and confirm the workset is visible. So we have covered 3 common reasons why elements in Revit might not be visible. Remember, these are just a few of the potential causes. If you are still encountering issues displaying items in Revit, feel free to share your experience in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Remember, it's only simple if you know how to do it. If you don't know, you don't know. Peace.